Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Ryan Westone, co-founder of Team MatrixFX. And in this short video, I'm going to show you how to draw channels so you can isolate price to get more of a better understanding of the true movements of what's going on with the price at the actual area where it's at. Okay, so if you haven't referred to the last two basic videos, you need to watch those so you can understand how to draw this trend line right here and how to draw this resistance and the support. All right, so in this video I'm going to be discussing how to draw channels. So me personally, I like to use wedges when it comes to making a channel. So I already have my trend line right here, so the only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come back to the trend line, and then I'm going to connect a new trend just like this. And it can be short just like that. You don't even have to be long. So this is making like a tip of a pyramid per se, or like a knife point. And then I like to differentiate my wedge by making that dotted just like that. So basically what this is telling me is price right now is consolidating within this zone, but this candle right here is currently on the process of trying to come down and potentially break this trend line. So if this candle breaks this green trend line right here, if this red candle breaks this green trend line right here, essentially what we're going to have is a breakout. So in doing that, it could potentially also break the support price. I mean, if you're on a sell for this EU, and let's say you got in on this candle somewhere and it's going down, that's what you want.